Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to locate the recycle bin on your Android phone. When you move an item to trash, it remains there for a set period before being permanently deleted. During this time, you can either restore it or permanently delete it from the recycle bin. So first, let's go ahead and locate the recycle bin on the gallery application. Go ahead and open your gallery app. Tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner of your screen, and there you'll get the option of recycle bin. Go ahead and select it, and then tap on edit in the top right. Select the photos or videos that you want to delete, and then tap on delete in the bottom of the screen, and you'll be done. To find the recycle bin on your phone, swipe up on the screen, use the search bar in the top, then type in recycle bin. You can see the bin in the contact settings, message settings, reminder settings, and also in the app options, which is in My Files. Go ahead and select recycle bin in your files. You'll get the list of photos, videos, or any files that you deleted in the past 30 days. You can tap on select in the top right, select the photo or video or file that you want to delete, and tap on delete all in the bottom right corner of your screen. Remember that after 30 days, the items from your file, gallery, and some third-party apps will be permanently deleted. And if you want to go ahead and restore it, you need to do it before 30 days. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.